By the end, you will understand production, its stages, and importance of ownership. If you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for free and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss our lessons. One. Have you ever wondered how products are created? Many students find the stages of production confusing. This tutorial will classify these concepts. By the end, you will understand production, its stages, and importance of ownership. Let's break it down in simple steps. First, let's explore what production is. Production transforms raw materials into goods and services. It satisfies our wants and needs. Next, we classify goods. Goods are tangible products as these ones we are seeing right now. They fall into categories like consumer goods and capital goods. Services, on the other hand, are intangible. They include education, healthcare, and banking. Right now, I'm teaching you, I'm offering a service. Now we move on to the stages of production. There are three main stages. How does it work? Primary production extracts natural resources like farming and mining. Secondary production processes these resources. Think of bread making or car assembly. Finally, tertiary production provides services such as transport and education. Next, let's discuss the factors of production. They are essential resources for creating goods. The first factor is land. This includes natural resources like soil and water. Next, labor, which encompasses skilled and unskilled workers. Capital is a third factor, represented by tools and machinery. Lastly, entrepreneurship, which combines all factors. Taking a short break, coming back soon. If you find this lesson helpful, share with your friends. Help them discover great learning. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Let's learn together. Lastly, entrepreneurship, which combines all factors. Entrepreneurs take risk and aim for profit. Ukatadza kuita profit, unoita loss. Now consider the relationship between commerce and production. Marketplace. Production creates goods while commerce involves buying and selling them, like comparative Msika. They work together closely. Next, let's talk about the ownership of means of production. These include land, factories, and tools. Indigenous ownership is vital. It promotes self-reliance and reduces foreign control, which means independence. Land is our heritage and must be used wisely. Every citizen should benefit from land. Finally, understand the importance of land reform and indigenization. Land reform collects historical injustice and ensures a fair distribution. Indigenization encourages local ownership, fostering economic empowerment. In summary, production drives the economy. Knowing its stages and factors help you appreciate resources. Indigenous ownership supports growth and reduces inequality. Now it's your turn. You don't have to fail. Go and read all the notes and explore the concepts further to see how they impact your community. You have to read the notes on this website to enhance your understanding. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, or visit our website mugombionlineschool.com and enroll for a full course. Thank you.